the route will be exactly the same from Patava to Kalakatti to the Minister has already announced. So, one special occasion also is Mr. Francisco Martin. It's his 50th year for designing floats. Now he's been recognized nationally and internationally also as one of the prestigious float makers also. So we will be honouring him and facilitating him on that day also. It's a very special day for all of us. Now Samba Square will be on this, in the same venue on the same dates, on the 10th to the 13th. So we've booked all of the top bands of and yeah, the last day also will be Red and Black by Club Vasco, Club National, sorry. And yeah, any questions?
11th day we have.
So on the 11th, basically we have, so 11th is one of our main days, and on that day we basically have Queen. So that's one of, it's like an internationally recognized band. They play for audiences of 10,000 to 20,000 people also. So they will be one of the highlight bands for our entire
So the route is the same, no?
Just exactly the same. I think the location of Samba Square also is exactly the same. There is no change in any of that.
What is the number of floats that you all have?
So it will be on the last. So the screening will happen on the day of the carnival. So depending on how many participants. So it will be the same as last year also. How many participants that we had. Yeah. So applications. So we're accepting applications from tomorrow till the 5th of February.
Categories, in new category can
No, categories will be the same. Yeah, the format will be basically the same.
What about this? The Queen and King?
That tourism will be that's tourism will have their first float followed by city float.
लास्ट ईयर एक डिसीजन घेतलो लायक ताचे बायक्स आसताले नॉयज पोल्युशन खातीर ते बॅन केले सो सेम थिंग
Yeah, so traffic on that day, traffic and pollution.
no just
What kind of floats are this?
हाडटाले ते
That pollution control, we will speak to them and see what issues. I think that we will clarify. Yeah, so they will come for their on that day to clarify and see what issues are there.
Those things sponsors theme. Those
What are the themes for the
That
floats?
tourism will decide the
tourism.
yeah.
This is as far as
So ours will basically going to be the CCP float. That is it. And the rest will be from all over Goa.
but after this carnival, then it will be Sigma as far as so any issues as far as the city or the works which are going on because of that or anything like that. It may be from outside or inside, anything you all are facing. So what it is?
The main road is the as of now also we'll have to check and see what the situation is with all the smart city also. So if any adjustments have to be made, we will sit and discuss it with the committees and everything. But as of now, no decision has been. We'll sit with the Shikmo committee and
During carnival time, how the traffic will be diverted through it?
that again also now we will have to sit with traffic police to be sure. They also have given us their full support. They will make all the arrangements.
Because right now the issue is about the
Also roads of
smart
law,
city
also
works
there is a lot.
which are going on.
Why I'm saying is that every time then suddenly whatever they do, and the blame will come on you,
No,
especially
I understand. That's
CCTV.
right. So before that
So
also.
before that only I'm
Yeah.
saying.
So before that we will take the traffic police also. We will take their assessment. But that we have faith that they will decide everything.
So everything will be smoothly done.
No issues.
Thank you.
Thank you.